In this lecture, we are going to control LED speed. As you can see, as I press the button, speed decreases. If press the other button, speed will increase. Okay, for this we will add another button and a resistor. It will be connected to port A.1. Now button and the other side is grounded. Circuit is complete. Now let's develop the program. Output port C, as it is LEDs port, then input port A.0 and input port A.1, as we have connected buttons to these ports. After that, we declare a variable, dimmx as byte, then loop, go to loop. If port A.0 is 0, that means if left button is pressed, x equals x minus 20. The value of x will be decremented by 20. If port A.1 is 0, that means if the right button is pressed, then x will be incremented by 20. That means delay will be increased. Here we write, okay, first clear port C. Port C is equal to 0, so that all LEDs will blink. Port C equals tilde port C, then delay ms x, and we will initiate x from 50. When this button will be pressed, speed will increase or decrease. That means delay is increased or decreased. Let's make it 50. It will be more prominent. Okay, our program is complete. Now let's save it. LEDs, but no, LEDs speed control. Compile. Import the new hex file, LED speed control. Okay, now let's try. As you can see, this is very fast and speed is decreasing as I press the button. Delayed. Now this is the speed again increases. This is because the byte variable can store only from 0 to 255. It cannot hold any value greater than 255. When we press this button, x will be 50, then 100, then 150, and it will reach up to 250. After that, when it is 250, if I add 50 to 250, it will be 300. But byte cannot store 300. It is not possible. So when x increases, then 255, it rolls over. It overflows and its value again becomes 0. So x value decreases and blinking becomes faster and faster. So x will become 0 or 50. So speed is again increased. To solve this problem, we should use a bigger variable which can hold more values than 255. So we should use word. Word can hold up to 65,000 approximately values. So this problem will not occur now. As you can see, the speed is decreasing and decreasing. So this problem is solved, but this program is not a perfect program. As you can see, the button pressing is missing. Each click does not vary the speed. We will discuss this problem later. At this moment, the circuit is complete.